Hey guys, welcome back to Kool Kid Toy Reviews. Today I'm reviewing some toys from McDonald's. It is Spy Gear. And the first toy I got is the Spy Phone. The Spy walkie-talkie, and you just press that button and it lights up and it says something. Listen. So that's what it says. That's all for this one. I don't know if there's a battery tab. I don't know if it goes on forever. Maybe it will need batteries. The second toy I got was the Spy Specs video glasses. But they're not really video glasses. You can just put them on. You can use them as normal sunglasses. The third toy I got, so the last toy I got was the Spy watch. So the way I do it, because I'm only 4, I just put on like that and I just put on my wrist. Put on me. There. So now I can tell time. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Stay tuned because I have lots more videos I'm going to be doing. Click the like button down below in the description and tell me if you like this video. Click another video in my outro to watch another fine Kool Kid video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Adios.